Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online on Fiverr step by step. So let's begin the video. Fiverr is a marketplace where anyone can sign up and sell services from $5. So this can be anything from logo design, from transcript, video creation, from backlinking, and from social signals. So basically what the Fiverr is all depend upon the gig. This really is basically a gig. The best bit is anyone can learn how to make money online by signing up as a Fiverr as a seller and starting selling their services. This is exact what East John did, earning $164,000 in 30 days, and you are about to learn the exact process he used to make money on Fiverr. So basically what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a leading marketplace for services starting at just $5. A lot of people buy and sell services every day through Fiverr. The available services ranges from business promotions, social networking, advertising to funny videos, graphic designing and translation, to mention just a few. So before moving to my Fiverr earnings, I will show you later on how to make money on Fiverr. So the idea for my gig was actually I am going to create a video animation services offering like that whiteboard boards, 3D animation videos, hand-drawn videos. There are some of the sample videos, animated character videos, and the videos that can be worth, such like how to make money with Fiverr videos. You might be wondering how exactly I am creating this video, and you will be glad to know it's really simple. Not long ago, WSO appeared for Video Maker FX, which is simple piece of software to create animated videos. I paid $67 for it at that time. So how to earn money on Fiverr, the step-by-step process. So this number one step is practice. First of all, I brought Video Maker FX and spent time practicing making videos of all different types of it. It took me a couple of weeks of playing, but I soon got the hang of being able to make weekly videos. Step two is create Fiverr gig. Once I knew I could produce awesome videos, I kept the title short and simple. I will create a professional whiteboard animation videos in 24 hours for $5. Then I'll create an amazing whiteboard animation videos for $5. Then professional whiteboard doodle video for $5, and then create an eye-catching animation video for $5. So simply it makes $15 for me. Step 3 is creating your gig image. If you do search for similar gigs, you will notice some of them have a better images than other that really stand out. Do some searches and take some inspiration from the gig images that really stand out to you. Once you have done, you can pickfont.com to create your Fiverr gig image. If you really want to stand out, you can also hire someone on Fiverr to do it. Step number 4, writing your gig's description. Your description is also very important part to your gig that you need to get right. Just like with the images, I also search around Fiverr and to look at what the other top sellers are doing and use their description as inspiration. Whatever you do, don't copy their descriptions or will you get banned. Just use them as inspirational and come up with your own unique descriptions. Step number 5, tags and keywords. One of the most important part of your gig is setting up the tags and keywords. A lot of people don't realize this, but having your gigs tagged correctly is very important to the ranking of your gig is in Fiverr search results. Step number 6 is video-fying your gigs. You have also the option of adding a video to your gig to make it stand out. Again, this helps to boost ranking and sales to pay attention. I just use Video Maker FX to make the catchy videos for my gig. It does not need to be anything special, but shows off the services as well. So simple as that. How to rank your videos. Step number 1, dummy account, then fake visitors, accurate tags, and all about this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.